How to reset your Instagram feed. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is launch your Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, as you are into your profile, simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will lead you to settings and privacy. Now just scroll down and under the option of what you see category, you can see the option of content preferences. Select on that. Here you can see the options of reset suggested content. Select on reset suggested content, tap on next, tap on reset, and as you do that, you just have to wait for a few seconds and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.